Saving seeds from your garden is a rewarding practice. It's not just about the seeds themselves, but the entire process that brings joy and fulfillment. It helps you save money. Instead of buying new seeds every season, you can use the ones you've collected. Seed packets can be expensive, but collecting seeds from your plants is free. This means you can allocate your gardening budget to other essentials. You can grow a lot more for less. Imagine having an abundance of plants without the recurring cost. Saving seeds also helps preserve plant varieties. Heirloom plants in particular carry unique flavors and characteristics. Many heirloom varieties are disappearing, and you help keep these special plants alive by saving their seeds. This act of preservation is crucial for biodiversity. Plus, it connects you to nature's cycle. You become more attuned to the seasons and the life cycle of plants. You harvest seeds and plant them again. This cyclical process is both educational and deeply satisfying. Seeing the cycle continue is amazing. Watching a tiny seed grow into a full plant is a miracle of nature. Saving seeds is easy and fun. It's a simple task that can be done by anyone, regardless of age or experience. It is a great activity for the whole family. Involving children in seed saving can teach them valuable lessons about nature and sustainability. Collecting seeds is the first step in preserving your garden's bounty for future seasons. It's a rewarding process that allows you to continue growing your favorite plants year after year. Choose healthy plants for seed saving. The best seeds come from the strongest, most vigorous plants. This ensures that the next generation of plants will be just as robust. Wait until the fruits and vegetables are very ripe. This is when the seeds inside are fully developed and ready for harvesting. They should be past their prime for eating. Overripe fruits and vegetables often have the best seeds because they've had more time to mature. For tomatoes, scoop out the seeds and gel. Place them in a container with water and let them ferment for a few days. This helps to remove the gel coating and makes the seeds easier to dry. For peppers, remove the seeds from inside. Spread them out on a paper towel to dry completely before storing. For beans and peas, let the pods dry completely on the plant before collecting the seeds. This ensures that the seeds are fully mature and ready for storage. For flowers, wait until the petals dry and fall off. This is a sign that the seeds are ready to be harvested. Collect the seed heads or pods that form. Be sure to do this before they start to disperse naturally. Remember to label your seeds. Write down the plant type and the date of collection. This information is crucial for future planting. This helps you remember what you have and ensures that you plant them at the right time. Proper labeling and storage will keep your seeds viable for the next growing season. Once you have collected your seeds, it's time to clean them. This is an essential step to ensure that your seeds are free from any unwanted materials that could affect their growth. This removes any dirt or debris. Cleaning your seeds properly helps in preventing any potential diseases that could be carried over to the next planting season. For most seeds, simply rinse them in a strainer under cool water. This method is effective for seeds that do not have any pulp or sticky residue. For seeds with fruit pulp like tomatoes, ferment them for a few days. Fermentation helps to break down the pulp and makes it easier to separate the seeds. This removes the pulp and prevents diseases. After fermentation, rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any remaining pulp. After cleaning, dry your seeds thoroughly. Proper drying is crucial to ensure the longevity and viability of the seeds. Spread them out on a flat surface in a well-ventilated area. This allows for even drying and prevents the seeds from clumping together. Avoid direct sunlight as it can damage the seeds. Direct sunlight can cause the seeds to overheat and lose their viability. Make sure the seeds are completely dry before storing. This prevents mold growth. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place to maintain their quality until you are ready to plant them. Section 4, Seed Saving 1. Storing your treasures. Proper storage is crucial for keeping seeds viable. Store dry seeds in airtight containers like glass jars or envelopes. Label each container with the plant name and the date. This helps you keep track of your seed collection. Store the containers in a cool, dark and dry place. A cool basement or a drawer in your refrigerator for short-term storage works well. Check your stored seeds periodically for any signs of moisture or pests. Section 5. Sowing the seeds of success. Using saved seeds. Saving seeds is a rewarding experience. It allows you to preserve plant varieties and save money on gardening. When using saved seeds, start them indoors a few weeks earlier than your last frost date. This gives them a head start. Not all seeds will germinate, so sow a few extra seeds to ensure a good stand of plants. As your seedlings grow, thin them out to give the strongest ones more space to thrive. Happy gardening!